What's up everybody, it's Sean here, and I'm here today to give you guys a review of the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro in this Bart Simpson colorway. Today's video is sponsored by Heffelux. Heffelux is my all-time favorite sneaker insoles, and they sell ETP insoles, which essentially is the same material you'll find in Adidas Boost. So if you're looking to add some additional comfort inside your shoes, be sure to check out their website, which I've linked down below in the description box. You'll see they sell a variety of different insoles, so depending on the type of insole density and the cushioning setup you're looking for, you're going to find there's a suitable insole for everyone. So I've been a paying customer of Heffelux for years now, and to me, I personally find them to be very comfortable. So if you guys want to check them out and try a pair for yourself, be sure to use the code SEANGOB at checkout and get 15% off your entire purchase. So in 2004, Nike SB gave us a Homer Simpson inspired Dunk Low, and then in 2008, we got a Marge Simpson SB Dunk High, and then most recently in 2022, we finally got a pair inspired by Bart. So while this isn't officially a Simpsons collaboration, the color scheme is undeniable. So the official colorway for this shoe is Habanero Red, White, and Blue Hero, and they've been trickling into skateboard shops throughout the past few months, retailing for $100 US or 135 Canadian dollars. So with that said, let's take a deep dive into the details, and I'll give you guys a closer look. So on the toe box, the base layer here is constructed of a very tumbled yellow colored leather. Like all your other Nike Dunks, we have this perforated finish on the toe box, and then surrounding the outer edge, we have the suede overlay, which in real life is a perfect blend of red and orange. This same suede covers the eyelets of the shoe, and then underneath this on the mid panel, we have more of that tumbled yellow colored leather. Overlaid on top of this, we have a white colored swoosh, which is also constructed out of a premium cut of leather in white. Moving downwards, we have more of that habanero red colored suede, and this wraps around the bottom of the shoe, and then above this we have more of that tumbled leather, and on the top of the heel, we have another overlay of suede with Nike embroidered across in white. For the laces, so these come with two different lace options. The standard or default lace is a oval shaped lace done in habanero red, but they also give you a secondary pair in neon green, which is inspired by the skateboard of Bart Simpson. Underneath this, we have your signature padded SB Dunk tongue, and on the top we have this rectangular nylon tag with Nike SB Dunk Low Pro branding. The outer edge of the tongue and the interior of the shoe, this is lined in this very bold, very vibrant blue colored lining. This being an SB Dunk Low Pro model, we have this additional padding around the back Achilles area for cushioning. And then moving on to the insoles, these come with a very well padded foam insole. It's lined in this neon green finish on top, and we have Air Zoom and Nike SB co-branding stamped on the heel. And of course, this being an SB Dunk, underneath the heel we do have a Zoom Air unit for cushioning and impact protection. So the upper of these SB Dunk Lows sits atop this full-length white-colored rubber cup sole. And then turning the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your SB Dunk Low Pro outsole, which is constructed out of a bright blue colored rubber. We have this circular pivot point on the forefoot, and in the middle we have this exposed foam wedge with Nike SB branding, and this is done in red. So that breaks down the look and the construction of these Bart Simpson Dunks. And for those wondering about sizing, to me these fit like most of my other recent SB Dunk Lows, so I personally prefer to go up a half size, but whatever size you normally wear for SB Dunk Lows, I'd stick with that same size for this pair. If you've never worn an SB Dunk Low before, so I'm a true size 10, slightly on the wider side, and because of my slightly wider feet, and because of the padded tongue, I personally prefer to go up that half size, but I know a lot of people that have no problem sticking true to size, so if at all possible, I'd recommend trying on a pair just to see what fits you best. But if in doubt, if you have narrow or normal with feet, true to size should be okay, but if you do have wider feet, you might want to go up that half size. Next up, in terms of the comfort, so unfortunately SB Dunks in general aren't that comfortable. They're meant to be skateboarded in, so that means they're going to be very stable and they feel low to the ground. But if you're looking for a shoe that's very soft, very well padded, then you probably won't like these. And even though there's a Zoom Air unit on the insole, you honestly can't really feel it too much, but it's going to feel okay just to walk around in these. And I don't skateboard, and I've never had a problem wearing my SB Dunks at all. Finally, in terms of the overall quality and the craftsmanship, so first off, material quality, I thought it was actually pretty decent. The suedes I thought were okay. They sort of had a bit of a scratchy feel to it. However, this yellow leather that they used, and the white leather in fact, they felt very nice to the touch. As you guys can see, it has a very nice tumbled look to it, and has a decent softness to it to the touch as well. So while it's definitely not the best leather I've seen on a Nike shoe, I'd say that it's definitely decent quality all in all. And in terms of the overall build and the craftsmanship, it wasn't flawless by any means, but the issues I had were very minor. A loose thread here that I had to trim off myself, and a little bit of some visible glue surrounding this midsole area that connects to the upper, but to me all those things are very minor. So with all that out of the way now, let's lace these up and I'll show you guys how these look. Overall, I grew up with The Simpsons and I gotta say, I'm a decent fan of the show. But if I'm speaking objectively, I think aside from the connection to Bart, I think this pair is a little bit tough to pull off. It is extremely loud, which I guess you could make this the statement piece of your outfit, but I think it sort of has a very childish vibe to it. And I don't know necessarily how much time this will see in my rotation if I was to keep this in the collection. Maybe just one of those pairs that I think will look better on other people more so than myself, or even might look better as a piece that I just showcase on a shelf, for example, more so than something I would actually wear. So let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think about this Bart Simpson SB Dunk Low. What are your overall thoughts on this pair and this colorway? And is this a shoe that you guys could pull off? Or is it more something you would display? Or is it something you just pass altogether on? If you guys like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. You can follow me on Instagram at sgo8, check me out on Twitter at sean.go, and visit my website as well at seango.ca. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys all in the next one.